everyone, and welcome back to Hello Hi for another great simple cannabis recipe. Today we're making mini lemon raspberry cheesecakes, and here is one, and they're yummy, and we're using Canna sugar and Canna butter for this recipe. So let's get started. Recipe, you'll need a lot of ingredients, so I'll make sure I leave all of the ingredients below in the description box. Start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees. Now this recipe makes 12 cheesecakes, so start by lining a cupcake tray with 12 liners and make sure you leave the foil on each liner. Then starting with the graham cracker crust, pour 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 cup of melted canna butter, and I use half regular butter and half canna butter to keep each cheesecake on a low dosage, but knock yourself out with a 1/2 cup of canna butter. Use a hand mixer and mix on medium speed for 15 to 20 seconds. Use a spatula to get the mixture off the sides of the bowl and mix again for another 10 seconds until